your name?
Tiffany Faith Di Paprika.
How old are you? How old are you?
8 years old.
8 years old. So what grade are you in school?
Grade 3.
Okay, grade 3. So what school? What school?
Baler Central School.
Baler Central School. So how many of you in the family?
5 po.
5. So what is your father's job?
Tricycle driver.
And your mother?
Housewife. Housewife?
What is your favorite food?
Vegetable. Vegetable.
What is your hobby?
Play.
Play. Okay. So, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a policewoman.
You want to be a police woman? Well, can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing? Dance? What do you want? What can you share? Any talent that you want to share with us? Singing.
Singing.
Can you sing?
Ang pangarap ko'y nagmula sa'yo. Sa iyong ganda ang puso'y aking nakalimot. Nitong pag-ibig, alaala pa nung sinabi mo nung nadarama pa lang.
Okay. Thank you so much for your song, for sharing your talent. Congratulations. You are now official member of Computer Children Club. This is Teacher Carmela.